What is going on, everybody? Today we got video number 2 of checking your gold to see if it's real or not. Um, Again, just a reminder, I would advise you to find a magnifying glass, something that's like 40 times or something like that. And that'll help you be able to check over your jewelry to see if it's got any maker's mark or gold stamping on it. As you mess with gold more and more, you'll be able to know where they hide the stamping. Not every single piece of gold is going to have stamping on it. So that's why you always want to have your magnet on you and kind of get a good feel for it. Like, the more you mess with gold, you'll notice that it's got a really good feel to it. It's got good color to it. And then, if you check it with a magnet and it's not magnetic, then, I would take a gamble on stuff that you feel like is gold. And then the other side of that would be is just because it's got a maker's mark on it or a gold stamp on it, doesn't mean that it's gold. So you want to make sure that you have all the other stuff that you can test it all with. So today what I'm going to do is I have this gold ring here. It's apparently got a 14 karat marking on it. This is a Freemason's ring that's got a diamond in the middle of it. This one shows that it's gold, but what we're going to do to verify it, again, I checked this one with the magnet. It was not magnetic. So what I have here is what they call a scratch stone. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of gold and you're going to put a little scratch on here. And then, so right there is where I put the scratch. And then what you're going to do is, because it said that it was 14 karat, I got 14 karat acid here. And what that does is if it's anything less than 14 karat, or if it's not real gold, this acid will basically eat away that metal. So if it is not real gold, it'll basically make that scratch disappear. Again, you can get these kits really cheap on eBay. They're like, I want to say 20 bucks, something like that. And usually you can get a scratch stone and a few of those bottles of acid. Usually I give it like 30 seconds or so, and usually that acid will disappear. So it's probably going to spill everywhere, but basically it's still there, so I know that this is real. So this one right here, this weighed about 6.7 grams. I had somebody offer me, well, basically I have a buyer on eBay that I sold gold to once, and he sent me his card, and now he's basically my gold seller, or a gold buyer, I should say. And basically 6.7 grams, I sent him a picture of it, told him what it was, and he offered me $542 for it. So just this simple ring right here was worth $542. Wow! And it's kind of a rare find. If you know what you're looking for, it's a lot easier to spot stuff like this. But obviously the more you handle gold, the more easier it is to spot stuff. I would just be very careful. There's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of stuff that you can kind of get in trouble with. So you kind of want to make sure you know what you're looking for when you're dealing with stuff like this. So that's why I would always buy, Goodwill, go to antique stores or anything like that, and just go and check everything out and then see what you can find yourself. Other than that, I think that's all I got for now. Next time I think I'll show you how I check my silver, and we'll go from there. Okay, see ya.